Hello, my name is Liberia Broomfield. I'm a junior major in electrical engineering at Southern University from Oswego, Mississippi. So here I'm starting a project using 2 or 1 7 segments. It could be 2 or 3. I can make a clock. So first I'm going to start off by telling you what a 7 segment is and also how to connect it. So pretty much a 7 segments consist of 10 pins, as you see on the back. And these pins act as a diode. So you also have a middle pin that will be the VCC, which will connect to 5 volts, and the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, which will correspond with these LEDs on the front. So to connect the 7 segment, we have to put VCC here, and everything else will be turned on 0 to provide the numbers that we want, like we have done here. So here we have this pin here will turn on this LED. This pin here will turn on this one. This pin here will turn on this. This pin here will turn on this dot DP, and this one here will turn on this bottom LED. And on this side we have the VCC, as I said, or 5 volts. This one will go to this one. This one goes to this one, and this one goes to this dot, and this one goes to DP, and this one goes to this LED. So this is essentially how the 7 segment works. And as you see, we have our ground running here that will turn on each LED, and then we have our 5 volts that goes to this side that was essentially on the LED. And this is how the 7 segment works. So this one will act as another, so I can show you that it works. Okay, so we're going to feed 0 volts to whichever LED wants to show up based on as I was showing, the A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So I want to light up one. I'm going to run a ground to this one right here, which will be B from the truth table, and right here. So that's 1. And I can do 2 for the second one, which would be this one. This one. And we're just all running 0 volts, which will close the circuit. 0 on this side. Shucks, sorry. And then another 0 on this one. So that's 2. And then let's run a 3. This one isn't working. Okay, so this one is messed up. So now we have 1 and 2, and I can keep adjusting the circuit to run different ones. So I can make this to be 3. And 7 segments are also used in clocks, microwaves, ovens, your daily appliances. You can see that creates the everyday oh shucks. The time that you see comes from 7 segments. So just producing a ground wire to these will run the 7 segment. So that's, I'm supposed to be making 3, sorry. It's 3, let's make 4. Now let's do 5 up here. 5, which would be, start with this side, 5, and then that one will come on this side, this one, and this last one. If I can find the pen. So let's do this bottom one to 6. So this would be 1. So six. So now let's do 7. So 7 would be and then we can add the fancy curve. We can finesse the 7 a little bit. Oh, it's on power right from this side. Of course, it's not going to light up. 7. So then let's do 8 for this one, which we just also just have to add another wire here. 8. And then we could do 9 here, which we just add to have. Also have to add a couple more wires. 9. And then let's do 10. So we need to disconnect this middle one. This will be 0. and disconnect this one and this one. So now we have 10. And we could keep going to any number we want to see, but now that we see that, we see this is how the second segment works.